tuloy-tuloy dahil sa buhay at nisa oras na Hello, hello. 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 655 Hello, good afternoon. Wow, dinig ba ako? How are you guys? Hello, hello. Hello. Hello, good afternoon. Uh, Hi guys, say hi to the comments. Kung kakadaan nyo lang, let's go. Ano lang tayo? Konting kwentuhan. What's your haul sa ABGF? Ano mga games ang kinuha nyo? Ayun. Okay. Okay, first time trying this setup. Hopefully, mag-work naman. Uh, Before anything else, I just wanna thank everyone na sumuport sa atin, sa ating booth. Uh, sa lahat ng mga pumunta, nag-drop by, naglaro, nag, syempre, yung sa mga kumuha din ng mga games natin. So, or bumili. Thank you for your support. Thank you din sa mga kasama namin sa Kalaro Collective. Isa kayo sa mga dahilan kung bakit tuloy-tuloy or natuloy-tuloy yung game na nilabas natin at yung dalawa. So, thank you Mikey, thank you Thomas sa mga tips nyo and for all the feedback sa simula hanggang mailabas natin tong game na to. Thank you, thank you. Of course, thank you din sa ating sa lahat ng bumuo ng ABGF 2026. Kayo yung dahilan kung bakit nakakapagsama-sama ang mga publishers, international publishers, and ang mga local designers. So, salamat sa inyo. Salamat sa inyo. To Ludos, Larong Ating, Origame, and all the publishers, all the sponsors na nagtayo. I'm sorry hindi na ako nakadaan isa-isa nung last day. I just have to go na rin. And may family event pa nun. But if I have to do it over again, siguro one day, one day, tama, sold out na rin ng one day. So, probably the second day, baka inikot-ikot ko na lang talaga. But still, we're there to showcase itong mga games. So, yeah. I just wanna say thank you to everyone. So for now, kayo, anong mga games na kuha niyo? Ako pala, so far, share muna natin. Sana naman may audio ako. What's your ABGF? So far. So, sige, let's talk about a few of our games. Let's talk about a few of our games. So, syempre ako medyo tight tayo sa budget. Ito lang muna nakuha natin for the year. But of course, we're planning to get more, or kapag bumalik ang ABGF ulit, why not? But I believe most of the games magiging available naman sila sa neutral grounds soon. For now, what I got is, aside from, of course, my own game, or own games, which are Jack and Forget and Algebrew. Aside from this, meron tayo na trade Bits Please. This is the real-time or dexterity game na pabilisan mag-isip with numbers. This one I have to check. I was just amazed how small it is. And ayun, nagulat ako kasi 7 to 18 players siya. So why not? Wala pa akong game na pang ganung player count. So might as well. I believe this is also a social deduction game. Dinamo nila ng ABG. If hindi nyo pa na-try or if hindi ka nakadaan ng ABGF, let me talk about our games then. So we have Algebrew. This is a deduction game. Both of these are micro games, so 18 cards, pretty quick, but it could last around 15 minutes. Yeah, 15 to 20 minutes or so. It's pretty quick kasi you just need to add your ingredients or your cards so that it would match up the target or kung ano man yung hinahanap na blend ng coffee shop. So, the game is pretty fast. You just have to take a few turns until you figure out kung sakto ka dun sa target, unless maubos yung deck, medyo dun tumatagal. Algebrew naman is, Jack and Forget naman is a memory game wherein you will work together unless may isa kayong wild one or may isa kayong traitor na ayaw kayong or ginugulo kayo para hindi nyo maalala yung symbol. Jack and Forget, which is of course using Jack and Boy symbols. So rock, paper, and scissors. Let's see kung anong mga ganap niya. And so far, piniplay ko pala sa background yung mga yung pagdaan ko. But I have a few videos naman. Let's see now. So far, kung may questions pala kayo about the game, kung if you ordered or if you got the game, any of the two, feel free to message me. Now, I know na sold out yung Algebrew, but you can pre-order dito sa QR. May QR dyan sa baba. It's a page where I compile all of my works. So kung may plano kayo mag-pre-order, feel free to scan the QR code. Meron tayong mga 3 viewers. Hello. Welcome to the stream. I'm just talking about ABGF, my experience, and my haul. Also, I'm just telling everyone that if you have questions about the games that you got from me, itong Algebrew and Jack and Forget, feel free to message or comment. Let's see. Let's play some other clips. Media. Sana hindi baliktad. Pero most likely baliktad. Ito yung pauwi na kami. Hindi. Ito yung papack up na kami ng day 2 kasi na-sold out na. And also the rest of the team are going to a conference or a talk. Yung talk nila Toby. Yan, sila Jar, sila Thomas, and si Mikey. Nandiyan sila. We also have our special guest. Shout out Ruel from Singapore. We also have Katie, one of the designers of Batch 1, Kalaro Collective Batch 1. So, if you're not familiar pala, Kalaro Collective, wala yung sticker. Kalaro Collective is the group Actually, it's a project by Thomas and Mikey, wherein they are helping Filipino game designers to get a game out. Uh, they are helping Filipino designers in terms of playtesting, coordinating some events tulad nito, and also kahit yung mga meetups nila so they coach players or designers for their game design. I just wanna shout out to Tom and Mikey. Thank you so much. You are really one of the best people na dapat na credit sa paglabas ng aming games. Kasi you helped us out, you gave your honest feedback. Sige, one moment, I'm just gonna get Kalaro Collective. Ito, sana nandito sila, sila Mikey. So, sige nga, let's drop the link nila Kalaro Collective. Ayan. Saan natin to? I-paste. Anong QR code, Derek? Di ko ma-scan phone gamit ko sa pag-note. Okay lang. Ano to? Yung QR is yung QR is for my card page, for yung one page parang site ko wherein people can see all of my works and a few of my vlogs andun yun. The QR code can also be used for pre-ordering or checking some of my upcoming game designs. Thank you, Nico. Si Nico is one of the organizers or one of the members of Larong Atin. He's also a game designer. He has a lot of games under his name. And one of the main or the one of the heads of Unpub PH, which we also thank for in terms of sa pag build ng game designers community dito sa Philippines. So Unpub PH, tingnan ko nga kamay. Unpub PH, I don't know what's the mission and vision, di ko kabisado. But Unpub PH is Unpub PH is a group of Filipino game designers. We meet up I cannot confirm. Ako kasi minsan nawawala ako eh. But Unpub PH is meeting up every second Saturday of the month, most probably, to playtest games. So, nagkikita-kita sila to give an honest feedback of each other's game. At sinend ko yung page. Yan. So, if ever you're an aspiring game designer, feel free to join. May mga nakilala ako dun sa ABGF. Sana ma-visit nyo yung group and sana naka-stay tuned na kayo kasi most of the time, yan, sila Nico and some other members are dropping insights and valuable content regarding game design. And this, of course, the most helpful thing na pwede mong gawin is to join the monthly meetup. Kasi if you are just, yung main point doon is if you're just playing with your friends and families, most probably they will give you sweet and loving feedback. Ano ba tawag doon? Medyo sugar-coated siguro, or medyo talaga, hindi nila sasabihin yung actual na feel nila. But if you playtest with strangers and co-designers, you will get straightforward responses. Oh, thank you, Nico. Nico, you are one of the founding members, so I want to thank you and Pub and all of the members. You are one of the si Nico yung madalas na parang pag na-check niya yung mechanics mo, it doesn't make sense, sasabihin niya talaga. Kasi I think Nico and the rest of the Unpub goes way beyond 2016 pa or 2015. So, talagang alam nila what to say and how to say when giving feedback. Yun pala, may isa akong na-miss. Hindi pa ba? Sige, hindi founder. Sorry naman. So, may isa akong na-miss. One of the things na na-miss ko is the passport. Sa passport ng ABGF. So, sa ABGF kasi, when you join, you can definitely join for free. But they do have a passport where you can get stamps. And it's also one of your memorabilia na rin. So, when you complete a certain number of games or purchase something, you'll get a free game. Yun ang hindi ko nakuha. But, sana available pa rin. I think, kung may mga natirang stock, I think most of them are in neutral grounds naman. So, kung nasa venue kayo, anong pinakamalapit na branch nila? I think, Centris na yata pinakamalapit nila. Ayun. Let's play some other clips. Ang konti lang din ng clips ko. Pero hopefully, marami kayo nakuhang videos and pictures. Hindi ko pa makita yung yung isa yung mga candy. Gusto ko yung candy. Meron doon thank you, Nico. Best game ni Derek so far yung algebra, pero dapat mas maganda yung susunod. Yes! Thank you. Yung candy, meron doon I took a video of it din. Hinahanap ko lang. Pero meron doon edible candy. Nakakatawa. Edible candy tuloy. Edible dice. Tapos meron pang deception dice na pag kinain mo hindi mo sure kung ano yung makukuha mo. Let's see. Ano pa bang hindi ko makita. Basta all of my videos, wala, hindi pa sila edited. Kung ano-ano lang nadaanan ko. 1, 2, 3. Download. Make. Ang isang hindi ko nakuha is I guess yung Secret Guardian na dapat pala first day pa lang tinaanan ko nito. I think one of the most popular na hinahanap is Foundations of Rome. Parang ganun ba yan? Kayo, ano mga nakuha nyo sa event or anong mga haul nyo? Or kung may nalaro man kayo na sold out na, ano yung sana hinahanap nyo yung game? ABG. Okay, sige lang. Next time. I'll just post some videos kapag nahanap ko yun. Pero definitely, I just wanna close with hindi ako nakakuha nung Seek and Hide na halo-halo or yung palamig edition. Medyo nakapin ako dun sa booth. But, second day sana, kukuha ko, but, my purpose then, late na rin ako dumating, like after lunch. Tapos nag-ikot-ikot, as in, I think, I just wanna say na, with all the, as a person with the booth or with the game na nirelease, kukulangin yung 2 days if you want to get sold out and if you want to look at every game. So, yan. Hindi enough in 2 days. So, I think the best way to do it is talagang meron kang kasab. So, kunyari, dalawa kayo. So that habang nagde-demo yung isa, you can look around. I mean, meron naman nakasab. We all help each other out sa Kalaro Collective. But, siguro, I just want to help the booth talaga. So, kahit sold out na kami, we stay there for a few more hours. Ayan. I think I wanna close with with my sentiments now. So I think this is the thank you, Nico. No need pero kung thank you. I just wanna thank everyone. This is an experience of a lifetime. This is my first game nung nilabas. I never thought na makakasabayan natin yung mga Asian publishers sa paglabas ng game. So ako I'm I've been part of All Aboard Expo, so nakita ko how they do it, pero iba yung feeling, iba yung experience na ako mismo yung tumao sa booth and ako yung nag-entertain, nag-demo sa mga tao. It's fun. It's one of sana hindi siya makalimutan ng aking mahinang memory. But again, big thanks to Kalaro Collective who helped me all the way from designing Algebrew to the release in ABGF. Thank you then to all the friends and strangers na nung ko lang nakita pero they enjoyed the game and they got the game. Thank you to Larong Atin. Thank you to Ludus and all the members who made ABGF possible. I think nakita ko rin yung message or yung post ni Larong Atin. So, nandun na lahat yun. So, I just want to share din na we will be having May is still not over, so the best way to relive the experience you got in ABGF is to still play a lot of games. And kung nakakuha kayo ng mga games from ABGF, it's best na laruin nyo na sila as soon as possible so that you wouldn't miss kung ano man yung mga hindi nyo napuntahan. Kasi one of the things na may tendency itong mga smaller games or itong mga Asian games, they do come in portable boxes now. So most probably, or there's a chance na hindi nyo sila malalaro agad. Unless you bring it with you sa inyong bag. So the best way to do it is to gather for the next weekends, for the next events coming soon para makapag-try kayo ng maraming games and makapag-share din kayo ng games with your friends. I just want to share, we have a few events lined up. The first one will be in May 23 with B Club. I'm not sure if it has been posted yet, pero feel free to check them out. I'll also share them in our page. They'll be having a game day at Clouds Cafe in Quezon City. That's May 23. The next one is in All Aboard Expo, which is in May 28 to 31. So yun naman ay gaganapin sa My Center in QC. So malapit siya sa Quezon City Hall. So if you missed out on the publishers, Asian publishers na dumating, you will also meet a few of them in All Aboard Expo. You'll also meet a lot of international or non-Asian publishers like ELO and a lot more. So yun. Paputol-putol yung stream. Ako din, hindi ko sure kung sa akin ba. Or sa Electric Fan. But thank you, Nico, for watching, for staying in the stream. May isa pa lang, I just want to put out, or I just want to mention an event. So si Kalye Luma, nagkakaroon din siya, I think weekly na ba sila or every 2 weeks? Meron silang event ng MTG. They're using different formats now and then yata, pero feel free to check them out. Ayan, so far, so good. Thank you so much. It's been a while since I've done this kind of stream, but thank you. See you soon on the next one. Bye.